Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. I think I just came across perhaps one of the best $0 annual fee credit cards I've ever seen. This is the Chase Freedom Flex card. This is one of the most popular credit cards, and I wanted to make a pros and cons. And honestly, is this card worth it to sign up and get this card for your daily spender? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into this. So this credit card, honestly, has been brought up to me a bunch. People asking me, Carter, I want to use this card. Should I get it? Should I sign up? So I think it's worth noting a couple of things. One, 0% APR for the first 15 months. How credit card companies make money is by charging people that can't afford to pay it off every month. So the great thing, honestly, about this credit card is even if you can't pay it off, they give you 15 months to pay it off with no interest, which is great. The next thing is the sign up bonus. If you guys can spend $500 in the first 3 months, expect to get $200 in rewards, which, hey, that's literally free money. Even if you used $500, you use it, you pay it off, and then that's it. You get $200, which is great. The next thing is you get 5% on rotating categories. So it could be a variety of things like streaming services, gyms, whatever it may be. I'll put a calendar of it right here so you guys can see it. But use this, right? If you already go to the gym, put it on the card, right? You want to maximize credit cards to your advantage, right? You don't want to just go crazy buying everything you want. No, you have to be smart. Credit cards are a tool, and people get ahead of ahead of themselves, thinking that I'll pay it off when I can. I have 15 months. No. We're going to pay this off every month. We're never going to spend more than what's in our, checkings account. But the next thing is percentage back. So 5% on rotating categories, 5% on Chase travel booked through the Chase travel portal, which is good because 5% is actually a decent amount. A lot of high tier credit cards pay that. The next thing is 3% on dining, which is not too bad. Honestly, not too bad. The next thing is 3% on drugstores and then 1% on everything else, which, hey, at least you're going to be getting something of this card. So the next thing is that's everybody asking me is, Carter, is this card worth considering? Well, absolutely. This is a great starter card for people that don't want that high annual fee. I've seen credit cards with an annual fee of $700, $800. And, with cards like that, you have to be, one, spending a lot of money on them. Two, you have to hope you're getting more in rewards out of that card than the $700 or $800. The next thing, sign up bonus. It's easy to hit. $500 in 3 months. It's doable with just regular spending. Then the next thing is just 5% rotating categories. Absolutely. A lot of high tier credit cards can't even beat that, which is really good. So you have to activate it and plan your purchases. Use this card as a tool. All right. The next thing is, what are some things to watch out for? So like I said, that 5% rotating categories is up to a $1,500 per quarter spending. So after that, it does drop to that 1%, but still at the end of the day, you're getting some rewards for a $0 annual fee card. The next thing to watch out for is the 0% APR, like we mentioned, is only for 15 months. After that, you can expect a huge APR increase. 17, 18, even 20, 25% is very common. The next thing is 5%. The 5% travel is only booked through Chase Portal, which isn't that bad. But honestly, who is this card perfect for? So this card is perfect for probably like 90% of people. People that just spend everyday spending on gas, eating out, and don't want to have several different cards to manage, trying to get a lot of rewards. I've seen people, this is their only spender. They get that $200. They get, $500-$600 a year in travel or cash back that they take advantage of with that 5% travel. And it's just a great card, honestly, for people that don't want to worry about and manage a lot of credit cards. And especially, you can't beat the $0 annual fee, guys. So for me, this card is a 5 out of 5. I absolutely love it, and I would recommend it to anyone. Obviously, there is some things to watch out for, but if you're smart, you can handle it for sure, guys. So like, follow, don't forget to follow and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.